In the previous video, I introduced inside of a cell which is separated by a membrane from the outside. Today, we will discuss intracellular matrix called cytoskeleton. Okay, let's start with the meaning. Cyto means cell and skeleton means framework. So cytoskeleton is cell framework means it provides the basic structure to a cell as the skeleton system provides the basic structure to the body. The difference is that cytoskeleton is not a fixed structure, rather it is a dynamic and adaptive structure. Cytoskeleton is a complex network of protein filaments. Filaments are made up of polymers, which are long chains of protein monomers. The filaments get interlinked with each other and organized into higher order structures to form cytoskeleton. The architecture of the structures is controlled by several classes of regulatory protein. For example, nucleation promoting factors, which initiate filament formation, capping proteins, which terminate filament growth, polymerases, which promote faster or more sustained filament growth, depolymerizing factors, which disassemble filaments, and cross-linkers and stabilizing proteins, which organize and reinforce higher-order structures by forming bundles or three-dimensional networks. The proteins that make up the cytoskeleton have many similarities to Lego, the popular children's toy. Both consist of many copies of a few key pieces that fit together to form larger objects. Both can be assembled into a wide range of structures, and both can be disassembled and reassembled into different shapes according to changing needs. The difference is cytoskeleton fulfills all of these functions through self-assembly. There are three major types of cytoskeletal polymers: microfilaments, intermediate filaments, and microtubules. They vary in structure, size, and function. Cytoskeleton carries out three broad functions. It provides structure to the cell and organizes the contents of the cell. It enables the cell to move and change shape. It connects the cell physically and biochemically to the external environment through transport. There will be separate detailed videos in this channel on each filament and their functions. I hope you found this video helpful. If you still have any query or doubt, you can put that in the comment section.